You should replace the steering hydraulic oil when vehicle driving 5,000 kilometers. When draining oil, loosen oil pipe fixed bolts. Tighten oil pipe bolt after emptying the oil. Clean the filter and element. Clean the lines if the oil is turbided. When filling the oil, front axle of the vehicle should be jacked up. Start the engine and make it running at the steady lower speed. Add new oil to storage tanks and slowly turn the steering wheel from the side of the limit position to the other side of the limit position repeatedly at the same time until the oil return of reservoir without air. Add the oil to a certain standard and tighten up the cover.